Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Hope that all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so dear friends, today I am standing here at this moment. I would like to say something about my all around site I explain in this video. Okay, so dear friends, I am a beginner learner. I am a English crazy learner, so that's why I am really making English blogging video. And any when I go to another location, at that time I explain this location. Okay, so I also in this video I explain in this location. Okay, so dear friends, you can see in our behind side one actually village, and this village actually I maximum time I make our video I show this village. Okay, so dear friends, after a long time I have come here, and you can see actually our all video actually I making video at this location, because I don't go to another like any kind of location. I don't go actually I am stay in our village, so that's why I cannot go to another location, and I am studying for learning English for only making video. And on the other hand, I watch video English like English podcast video. So at on the other hand, actually I listening and speaking, and I also conversation like co-learners. So that is the thing. Okay, so now I am making video like English practicing video. So as we can see in our behind side, this is the paddy field, and paddy field actually very nice and very amazing, and all over the scenery actually mesmerizing scenery. And at this time actually evening time I am free. I spend time I making video and playing football like in this field, and today I cannot playing any game. So now I am making video. Okay, so thank you.